Hello, this is Penelope Whiteley from Aging Disgracefully, and this is the fourth in the series of videos about makeup for women over 50. And today I'm talking about eyes. So a few quick tips and tricks which I hope you will find useful. I'll start by talking about a line under your eye. So start at the outside edge and go a third or maybe a half in across. Use light brown, grey, smoky blue, some colour that actually works with your eyes, and put it on with an angled brush or blend it with an angled brush. Use either a Kohl pencil or use an eyeshadow in the right colour. Angled brush, very soft look. If you'd like to make your eyes look bigger, I suggest you buy yourself a white pencil, actually a slightly off-white pencil, and put it on the inside of your lower lid. It's an old theatrical trick, and it actually does make your eyes look bigger. For your upper lid, my suggestion is that you use a Kohl pencil. Something soft. Liquid eyeliner at our age can really be too hard, and it just doesn't look good. Apply it with feathery strokes again, as close to your eyelashes as possible. If you don't want to use a Kohl pencil, again, use eyeshadow in the right colour and apply it with feathery strokes. Please avoid liquid liner. I've already said that. I'm just repeating it to make sure you heard the first time. And please avoid sparkle. It honestly doesn't work on our upper lids as we age because our upper eyelids become crepey and sparkle makes them look crepier. So I hope all those work for you, and I will see you next time. Enjoy the rest of your week, and if you can, watch the royal wedding and enjoy that too, because it's very exciting here. Ciao.